English project. Virtual learning, the benefits and disadvantages. Present by Valentina Medina. What is virtual learning? Virtual learning as words and virtual education or learning is a form of online distance learning. It uses digital technologies to enhance learning process. Benefits. Good option for what people. Students at set their off path of study edu- education institute or know the world as such students are key online communicates province unit access to world subs and travel expenses. Benefits. Virtual education platform for online tutor service and technical support to assist students in their learning process. Allows students and teachers to interact, share lessons, and participate in collaborative in learning activities. Disadvantages. Not, not to social with class or teacher. Distract and lack of attention, discipline, and working consumption of false information. They are personal data. Disadvantages. Less practice time for students, internet connect follows cause that informative overload. Examples of virtual education. Virtual classroom, classroom, blackboard, more Canva. Virtual wallet. Allow the student to visit museums and historic rooms. Podcasts with blogs provides original learning opportunities. Themes with it allow the dissemination of full information about institute and Berlin ensembles cereals. Conclusion. It virtual reality to show not what neurotic trying but what served and complete to bed property than broad personal accessible learning board and thought virtual education. It presents a PowerPoint flexible tool that contributes to education trying. We must not make personal social with the education must communicate. Thank you.